Ofori Atta's ICE detention not related to extradition case. Yen yina yenim. Can Ofori Atta yachiro America ha and the America for say o ma chine na tu fiase a ya hwehwe ni nsem mu no. Enka eye OSP extradition ya Attorney General any America for edi ho nkomo no enka ho. Sa echire we ya ye no no. Eye America wabetena ne nkratasem enye. Eno ano no. Otete krom ha ne nkrata anye osori a otwen ebo 6:30 na okoto pizza no da be hye dem di why say kura egawitela bi kirewo kero Ofori Atta bete krom ha sa na yire di nkan o Ghana ha ena ne ba no so di nkan o Ghana na yire o Ghana o na yire di nkan me sure say waba because odwen so obewu eye ice for the cells so de na o ya ne say osori no the school bag abodechi. No the headphones are shana son. No shekambu. Na on Pennsylvania Avenue. Oh this year. Now I know say or America small boy. Now I saw baggy pants bisa. No jacket atoso. Or kwa no koto pizza. No I thought a pancake. Already made one be. No I thought frozen chicken. No I thought frozen pizza. No I thought frozen. No wa pack go backpack. Oh yeah, criminal. Iti besides. Get rid of Ofori Atta picture. The one you try that on street this no. It was around opportunity. Or try na about 6:30 a muye sum kakra da. Obeso kwa shopping. Onim say nkrata no en sequence. Onim say the passport and the visa de wu. And na on eyes of 10:10 Enti do ya say otwan 6:30 a muye sum kakra no. Na or the backpack abodechi no ahye da ahye. Jeans said the American boy. When you know I na or the echa kata the thing which say the old thing obwa. No the headphones. No the ashana son. Na or the backpack about the chi no asha jacket. Na I say on ante say a guy. Owura eye Delia and I say owura eye 7-Eleven. No I talk eye chicken na ya the phone tantan no ha no you for no the tissue achire ho. Na wako why coke eye diet coke bi edu. Kere Ofori Atta or you homeless. Homeless is life no the America or bezo be wuzo ekrofo the passport de wu ne visa wu enti ingrata 70 sikedi mapa wada akatedi 7-Eleven or shopping abuofuru so say suddenly kojo pon kroma or start a year gold board issue no and the language na sesa. Today, this sexy guy, I friend Kojo Ponkroma on it the pono and Oditu and tight, no. He decided to go on a soul mission. And you see, Samuni Mama make a bibin chemo. The first time I met Kojo Ponkroma, na on it Ken Ofori Atta and a bar a year America. Na a World Bank IMF conference no mobano. They contracted my company to cover a year the event omobeye. They paid me over $10,000 for 3 days. That was my company. Abrofo and I'm employee in America. They shot the whole event. That was the first time I met Kojo Ponkroma. Kojo Ponkroma one Ken Ofori Atta and Nantiache. At a point, Ken Ofori Atta promised Kojo Ponkroma say obey the deputy finance minister. That was the time na omo pese omo pamu eye kweku kwatin. I'm giving you the information. When they even came to the World Bank event, the deputy finance minister who was kweku kwatin or the deputy too, he was not even added to the entourage that came to the World Bank event. It was Kojo Ponkroma who deputized Ken Ofori Atta. I was in the meetings with them. I sat with them. Throughout all the meetings, I was there. So I know what I'm talking to you about. Kojo Ponkroma was promised deputy finance minister. And when a deputy finance minister at a point he quailed in. You saw say he wasn't speaking for the government. He was disappointed and deceived by Ken Ofori Atta. So he was going to be the deputy finance minister. Do you know that Kojo Ponkroma used to run a small bank? The banking closure, and Kojo Ponkroma was part of the idea. Even that bank that he used to run as a savings and loans, that bank defaulted. No more their banker. Now, this is what happened. Kojo Ponkroma learned very well from Ken Ofori Atta And what he learned was that when you want to commit a crime, do not allow opposing views. In politics, when you want to commit a crime, when you want to use words to deceive the masses, never allow opposing views. It is also Ofori Atta style of leadership. It's like an autocratic kind of leadership whereby he controls the narrative. It was a Kojo Ponkruma estatic gold board in Semono. He has never engaged any opposing views. He has never sat on any panel to share opinions and ideas on the allegations that he created. Also, Nyebi, it is the Ofori Atta strategy. Iti obeka sansem to hona obey press conference no enu dwane eno kohwe pono. What he does is or the atroni betum from him, then he stays back. Now friends say ombra na ombe answer questions, detailed questions sir, or say I have my facts. So what he does is say or the atroni system no more na we dwane. Now obia beka wasem wi no akofa nkrata bia betena say wo journalists medin can send no questions no. So he picks his platforms he wants to speak on. It Obi, I want us to speak on my press conference. I know people are asking questions. These are the Q&As. This is what I want us to talk about. Inti Kojo Ponkruma or set on one questions. No, I bet answer. Inti from the day he did that press conference, our Ghanaians were saying, the person who alleged, nobody saw him on news file. When the person who is in charge of gold board, Sami Jemfi Betena Kunjum said, "Wo bra, na in seven of Bekano, but Kojo Ponkruma never came." But interestingly, and the Kojo Ponkruma is all over the place and granting interviews, and he is the Lone Ranger. He is the only person sitting on TV and putting together his own document, asking his own questions and setting his questions and answering them. That is how diabolic. So Kojo Ponkruma really learned from Ofori Atta. Into whose study, when Ofori Atta was the finance minister, he never sat on any platform with anybody with opposing views except Onunkwa. So when he goes to City, it is just him. When he goes to Joy, it is just him. And that is the blueprint Kojo Ponkruma is adapting. And it's a very diabolic, dangerous kind of politics. Because what it happens, and they say, Sani Panabe to me abeto atro atu nipa biso. Wabe guni peli bi mieni mase. Na wa twene ho. Yaka so me yin one wa omma. Say ufri wape no aba no asabe twa atro. And that is the consistency we have now seen in Kojo Ponkruma's kind of politics.
To say resign, will you resign because of going to the IMF when you said we were not going to the IMF?
That's not a very good question. You know, it's almost like telling a father to resign from his children because he's changed his mind. You know, there are times that decisions have to be made for the survival of a country, and therefore if circumstances such as COVID or Ukraine war occur, which are not typical, it does change.